Another 40 minutes.
Yep. This is a very interesting experience. I am recording it for future purpose. We have an anonymous person here. We will not reveal his identity because he wants to remain anonymous. And as you can see, we have holy color. I don't know why. It is not even March yet, but he has holy color. What else? How would you rate this experience?
5 out of 10.
I would actually give it a 7 out of 10.
Oh,
I never understood that pillar. It's very small. What will go over that? I don't understand. While coming also, I'm seeing. I mean, this route our bus won't take while coming. Like the day before yesterday, when my parents left, I saw that thing, that pillar over there. It's very narrow. Maybe they'll make a bridge. I don't know what they're doing. I look like a tourist now, holding this. Nice. This I. I will reintroduce myself because I am dumb and I took this video vertically instead of horizontal. Actually, I took it horizontally, but this is vertical. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I am scared that someone will steal this phone from my hand while they are on a bike. So that's why I am gripping this phone carefully. As you can see, there was an elephant here. He made those foot markings. What about ticket? Huh? भैया टिकट लेना भूल गए. सॉरी टिकट क्या बोले?
I don't know.
I'd like. What is happening, man?
ಸೋಮಾಜಿಗೌಡ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜೂಬ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೋಮಾಜಿಗೌಡ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜೂಬ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
Anjagutta 45. Anjagutta 45.
45. One second. Who?
The Jubilee check post.
Nice. We have one ticket for both trains?
No.
Okay.
2 tickets.
I thought they were giving tokens now. What happened to that?
మీరు పంజాగుట్ట ఇక్కడ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ 1కి వెళ్ళండి. మీరు అమీర్పేటలో దిగి ట్రైన్ చేంజ్ అవ్వండి. పంజాగుట్టకి వెళ్ళడానికి అమీర్పేటలో దిగి ట్రైన్ చేంజ్ అవ్వండి. జూబ్లీ చెక్ పోస్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ ట్రైన్.
జూబ్లీ చెక్ పోస్ట్ డైరెక్ట్. ఇది మాత్రం పంజాగుట్ట
అమీర్పేటలో దిగి ట్రైన్ చేంజ్ అవ్వాలి.
Wait.
ఏ ట్రైన్ చేంజ్ అవ్వాలి? ఏ ట్రైన్ చేంజ్ అవ్వాలి?
అక్కడ మీరు ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మారాల్సి ఉంటుంది. అక్కడ సెక్యూరిటీ ఉంటుంది ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీద.
For you one problem is that what is it? For Jubilee check post direct you can go. But for Somaji Goda.
But I don't want to go to Jubilee check post. I want to go to Somaji.
Yeah, exactly. So you should like
I have to get off.
get off at Panjagutta, Amirpur.
हाँ.
And there you should change the train.
अच्छा फिर
It
से.
goes to Panjagutta.
चल कोई नहीं. I forgot about my bag. No. Hey, I think we'll get free ride. We are below 90 centimeters. Huh? We'll get free ride.
It's 3 feet.
Nice. Now, wait, I have to get off, right? Jat. I don't think it's reading it. Bro. Oh, nice. I think I'm dumb. I think I'm dumb. I cannot survive in this world.
Well, you should just get accustomed. Even I was.
Uh-huh.
I think I'm still like
It's okay. I need to hold on to this, otherwise I will die. I will be trapped on the railway station.
But you have money. That's a huge advantage.
Yeah. I can give.
The thing is, I can go directly to Madhapur.
Ah.
But why I chose Jubilee Checkpost is I have given my cycle at Jubilee Checkpost.
Okay.
Morning I came in bus ride.
Hmm.
So I have to reach Jubilee Checkpost. From there I have to go on cycle.
Lol. You have a cycle?
Yeah. I didn't come on cycle to the office.
Oh, okay. You stop there. Got it.
Madhapur.
Nice. Hey, is it possible for you to keep this bottle in the thing?
Can I drink some water?
Yeah, so drink some. Don't worry. The thing is, I put mouth. Is that okay? It's okay. Put up. You're thirsty.
I didn't drink water for almost 2 hours.
Why am I? There's water in college also. What
I
are
didn't
you
think
doing?
it was that necessary.
Hydrate. Every hour you should drink at least something. I'm glad I have 2 bottles. Otherwise, both of
Tomorrow
us
it would
would
be
have
quite
started.
embarrassing for me, but it would
Why?
be normal afterwards.
Why would it be embarrassing? Huh?
I have missed the bus ride.
So, who will say anything?
Like it would be first embarrassing, but it would be fun to say all this experience.
Yeah, it'll be amazing. I've never done this with anyone. So, like, it's super amazing to do this with you.
If you had a more fun partner like Preetham, you would have.
Yeah, Array, Preetham would make a lot of fun. But I'm really glad you are also there. Ray. I think, like, you should have a bit more self-confidence. Little bit more. Slowly you'll get in 4 years.
Hope so.
Yeah. Oh, train is coming. Nice. Hello, train. आगे अरे train आगे. Like people on the train station is like आगे.
That's why I shouted on them.
Mind the gap, ladies only. What is gents? Ay. Hold for me if possible. Yeah. Yeah. This come anyone can see, but nice.
On the left. Tarvati station, Parade Ground. ఎడమవైపున తెచ్చుకుంటాయి.
अगला स्टेशन परेड ग्राउंड दरवाजे बाईं तरफ लें।
Kind attention. It is mandatory to wear a mask and maintain physical distance to walk the metro journey. Non-compliance affects passenger safety. Thank you.
Okay, so I got off and Jatin went. The train didn't stop at Begumpet, so I have lol happened. Anyway, I was going to Panchagutta. This is Amirpet. Nice. I am here. I don't know why I'm here, but I am here. Yes. Abhishek is calling me, but I cannot talk to the Abhishek because I'm lol happen. Ay, 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 ay. You should have stopped at Begumpet, bro. I would have taken auto from there, but it did not stop. And now I am having the lol. Having the lol. भैया पंजागुट्टा की ट्रेन कहाँ पर है? वो नंबर अच्छा ठीक है. भागो रे. This is all because I couldn't run. That time my legs gave up, and even after running, lol happened to me. Anyway, it's okay. We'll get off. And let's take the stairs, bro. Oof, my legs. Should have not skipped leg there, bro. Ah! Panjagutta? Yeah, I'm not going to get place to sit. That's a given. Okay, let me give more context over here. So I was trying to get inside the train, but puri train was full all the way up to the door. ऐसा भरे भरे हुए थे लोग. Every inch one person was there. So I see towards the left, and in that door at least there's some space. So I tried to go inside there. I ran towards it, and at that moment only the door started closing. So I thought, oh okay, this door is closing. Lol happened to me. But then the door sensor human was there, so it opened a little. Oh okay, I thought it was a sensor, so I put my hand there. So the door opened little. It was like, "Hey, अरे human आ गया, अरे खोलो रे." Then I was like, "Hey, nice." फिर उसने बोला, "अरे आओ रे, human आओ, जल्दी आओ." Then he was like, "ए नहीं आता है, तेरी ला लगे, बाय." भैया एक और एक ट्रेन आएगी अभी पंजागुट्टा आएगी ना और एक as you can see the train rejected me. आराम को ट्रेन anyway बहुत रश थी मुश्किल था उसमें जाना. I'll stand so that I can get onto a train. The train does not abandon me. There goes that train. I don't know what is happening at this point, but something is happening. Just want to go home, bro. Nothing much. I am sort of shaking, but it is nice. I feel like I have a runny nose. It's not a good sign for anything. How many people are in the metro, bro? think I'm in the right spot. Yeah. So this is for getting out, but I'm trying to get in from here. Ah well. I'm not crossing the yellow line. You can see that we all can see that I can see. There is no zoom in this. Wonderful. What is this? I don't know, but it is what it is. आएगी नहीं आएगी पता ही नहीं. We have to fight here. I don't know how, but okay.
Please stand away from the
Somehow got in.
Please stand away from the doors.
I have to get off.
Next station, Panjagutta.
Okay.
Doors
That's-
will open on the left.
తరువాతి స్టేషన్
Apparently this my store.
పంజాగుట్ట. తలుపులు ఎడమ వైపున తెరుచుకుంటాయి.
अगला स्टेशन पंजागुट्टा दरवाजे बाईं तरफ खुलेंगे.
Kind attention. It is mandatory to wear a mask and maintain physical distance throughout the metro journey. Non-compliance affects passenger safety. Thank you.
ప్రయాణికులకు గమనిక. మెట్రో ప్రయాణమంతటా మాస్కును తప్పనిసరిగా ధరించండి మరియు భౌతిక దూరాన్ని పాటించండి. ధన్యవాదములు.
Excuse me.
Panjagutta.
Excuse me. Sorry. So I got off. I have no idea where Panjagutta is, bro. But okay. आराम कर बेगमपेट पे जा सकते थे. ए ग्रीन लाइट. आई. Infinite loop. Hey, actually, I should go because I'm very tired actually. But I'm wasting my energy here. Hey, focus on. Are okay, I should get on. Lol. At least I'm not carrying a tab, bro. Ah. Thanks. Let me go. Yo. Let me go. Hey. Okay. I have absolute no value. I have no idea where I am. I shouldn't have gotten down here, bro. This was a bad place to get down. A very bad place to get down. Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Do you know where Somajiguda is? Do you know where Somajiguda is? Somajiguda, that side. That side? Yes. Okay, thank you. Apparently I'm on the wrong place. Do I just... anyway, it just gets down there, right? So I can get down here. So according to the thing, I think Panjagutta said 1.6 kilometers. And yeah, I think I should reach. Okay, we can do this. I have no idea where I am. I should probably look at Google Maps, but I'm not doing that. Is it dumb? And yeah, alleyways are like that is where you get kidnapped. Hey, tire. Okay, bro. I don't know where the heck I'm going, but okay. There's an auto. Do I sit in the auto? It's already too late now. Ah, well. Okay. Very interesting indeed. I think I know where this is going to go. Is that central? I think that is central. I can get down from here. It's possible. I don't know the prices from here. I could technically watch Ola and see the prices, but I think I'll just walk because I don't think I have money. Nice. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. Welcome to Unstable Handcuff 554th log. Kaise ho dosto? I'm just running. Okay. Calm down. Okay. If that is not Begumpet, if that is not central, I take an auto. But if it is central, I think I can walk. Lol. I'm so confused, bro. Should have taken a direct Begumpet's thing. Didn't stop at Begumpet. Waste metro. Very waste metro. Horrible, I say. Should have gotten down at Begumpet. Yep, that is central, alright. What's the time exactly? The vlog has been already going on for 13 minutes and I feel like someone's going to steal the phone from my hand. And steal the phone? Yeah. I thought I said phone the steal, but I did say steal the phone. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Okay, Independence Day was out here doing independent stuff. What the heck is independent stuff, bro? I don't know, bro. Go ask someone, but not me, because I'm not independent. Hey, it's those Tirupati wala machines where you check your weight and stuff. I don't know why people give money for that, but every time we went to Tirupati, we did that. I don't know why. Hey, it's a gold store. Nice. What the heck am I still holding on to this? I don't know. But yeah, I'm really sorry, Jatin, if you're watching this. I did lol to you, and you also happen lol. But hopefully you'll reach in time, and hopefully your parents don't kill you. Okay. Yeah, this is going on for way too long. I'll end it here for now. Once I reach Somajiguda, I could continue. Or maybe do you want like me crossing the road? No, I think this would be a dumb decision, right? Okay, here we go. See both sides. Bus is coming. Car is coming. Again. Always see both sides while crossing the road. Do not be dumb like me. And yeah, nothing here. And just get onto this thing and just walk over from here. I think you can reach from here because the bus driver left me here on the first day and had to walk back like an idiot. Nice. It's like 2.2 kilometers, not that far. So it should take around 15-20 minutes at max. But if I run, it will take lesser. Oof. If only I was able to run. If only I didn't come running from my washroom and didn't have to run further. I thought the bus would wait, but the bus didn't. They told to wait for the bus, but the bus never waited. That is the tale of the day. I don't know who will be watching this vlog in the first place. I don't even know if you can hear my voice. I just realized. I don't know if the camera shots are correct either, but I am talking. I'm telling you, one of these days I'm going to get hit in the face by one of these cars. And that will be my last video. It will be my like farewell video. Aye. So I have to be super careful. Always look on both sides. Always. So right now we are going to have to cross this road, and we're going to be crossing it at an intersection, which is a bad place to cross. So you have to be super careful. At least luckily halfway literally nothing comes because that area is blocked. But you'll definitely find no one. I'm crossing. Yeah, I crossed. Yeah, but there's no one. So I crossed. My shoelace is coming off. It is perfect at this moment. Nice. It's just what I wanted in life, for my shoelace to come out at this very exact specific moment in my life where I am at my most vulnerable. I probably got corona. I'm not sure. Screw this man. The bus driver has done lol to me 3-4 times, but honestly it was my mistake because I missed the bus. But it's alright. We made it. We be living for now. I was also very physically tired due to doing that work. Met nice people in the RTC bus, one of Jatin's friend, very nice guy. Met some random people from another like college, Rosemary or something. Didn't hear, I forgot. I did hear, but I forgot. But yeah, those people are nice. Like nice people on the RTC bus, man. What is this Srinidhi bus where you have like lol people, like seniors who want to ask your biodata, BD, lol, and make certain people sing and stuff. What is this, bro? RTC bus is chill. You can interact with people. See, what I always say is that you have to earn your respect, and you can't misuse your respect. No one's going to respect you then, right? But apparently some people don't get the memo. But it's all right. It's all chill actually. They are also chill only. Hey, wire. They are also chill. But yeah, I would much rather not have them doing dumb stuff. But it's all right. Found a Nintendo guy in my bus. His name is Sasi. Not Sasi, but it's like Shashi, but it's written as SASI. So Sasi. Never mind, I'm not going to say Sasi back. No. Okay, I'm going insane. Luckily no one is behind me, otherwise they would have put me in mental asylum. But okay. I can do the grudge voice because no one is here. I can be like, wait. No, wait. I'm not getting it. I'm not getting it. No, it's not coming. Nice. Wonderful. No. No. I'm not getting lol. Anyway, yeah. Screw bus driver, but it's not his fault, it's my fault. Shouldn't have played volleyball. Okay. Also, I had to participate in an athletics tournament, but the thing was that 23rd was the cutoff date, and I didn't make it, right? 23rd was the date where it was supposed to happen. I asked sir, and he said that apparently it was on 23rd, but he told me it was in January. But I missed that athletics meet. But he said currently so there's nothing planned for inter-college, but it'll happen in the future. What else is there is that yeah, I mean that's about it. The thing is that he and I talked about Ramesh sir a lot, but I think the voice cut off because there was a call. But basically, my sports sir, he told me that Ramesh, he knows Ramesh sir, and he told that he was looking for me in the ground, but he didn't find me. 23rd, there was a athletics competition, and I missed it. And I thought he told me it was in January, but lol happened to me. Anyway, I think I'll end the video for now here. Gigi is calling, and see you. Anyone who's watching this, bye bye. Okay, so हम लोग यहाँ पर हैं और we are at the place where we have to climb the mountain. Play the rocky music. Tan, 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 tan. So that I don't get copyrighted, I'll listen. Hey, nice smell come from headquarters somehow. What he driving go? Footpath, very important. I couldn't get up there because it's broken there. But anyway. Na 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 na. It's very funny how I keep on saying, hey, people should walk on the footpath, but they walk on the side of the footpath. But a lot of times the footpath is broken and then you have to go here and there. So there's no point. So I can understand why people don't go on the footpath. Anyway, we are here. And yes. That will be it. Until then,